Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use millet and soya beans and prepare pap. When you are using soya beans or millet to prepare pap, what you need to do is to soak your millet. Here I'm using red millet. Here I'm using red millet. You can use white millet to prepare your pap. So I'm using red here. So you have to soak your millet overnight. I've already soaked it. Look at how, that is why the water turned red, because it's red. So I made it for overnight. Then I wash it out. You wash it very well when you want to wash it. Drain out the overnight water, drain it out. Then wash it very well so that the sand particles will be out. So you turn it. When you are turning it like this, the sand will settle at the center. Then you rinse it. Here is my soya beans. I've soaked it overnight. So I have to wash it out from the soaked water. You know, soya beans is very good for men disorder and also for women. It helps to maintain the hormonal balance in women, and it helps to maintain the heart in case of heart attack. So soya beans is very, very good for consumption. You can make it as tea. That is soya beans powder. But here I'm going to mix it with my millet and make it like pap. So what I need to do now is to wash it out from this soaked water. So I'm going to drain out the soaked water. Then add a clean water. Wash it very well. Then I'll take it for grinding. You can use your blender if you have a big blender. But here I'm taking it to industrial blender or machine. I'm going to rinse it out very well because there's sand in it. I'll wash it up to 3 times before blending it. I'm draining out the dirty water. So the soya beans is clean now. I'll take it for grinding. Washing the millet now. Wash it up to 3 times to make sure that there is no sand in it. And when it is clean, I'll take it for grinding. It is clean now, so I'll take it for grinding. You can add spice to it, like ginger, if you want to. But here, I'm not adding any spice. After blending it, is like fine pap. It's mixed with millet and soya beans. So I'm going to use a clean sieve and filter it. See how it looks like. So it's going to be soya beans pap. After blending the kidney corn and the soya beans, use a clean filter cloth to filter it. Then keep it overnight for it to settle. For the next day, it will be ready for drinking. This is my filter cloth, so I'm going to filter it. After finishing washing it with a clean shave, this is how it looks like. So I'll keep it overnight for it to settle. Then my pap will be ready. Thank you for watching my channel. Give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. See you in my next video.